Alright, so check it, man. I'm about to do a drop out. I'm about to do a drop on this. I just figured my Nagas, my real Nagas, might want to get this drop right now. Alright, so we got 2024 year to dragon. Now, I'm not really into this zodiac, all this situation, but I can't acknowledge that every animal on that Chinese zodiac is a real animal, except for what, the dragon? Nah, man. I don't think so, man. I don't think so, boss. I don't think they got a year of the dragon and a year of the rat. And the dragon ain't real, but the rat is. The dinosaur ain't real, but the dragon is. Now you got 2024. You got the year of the dragon. Now you also got April. They got the Great American Comet. They got this total solar eclipse. Last time it crisscrossed was in 2017. 7 years later, it's crossing again. Only over America, Mexico, Canada, you know what I mean, North America. And that's in April. Now that's happening in the spring. Now the spring is our real new year, right? We just talked about this, the real new year where, you know what I'm saying, the first fruits and all this is happening, Baruch Basad. So the real year of the dragon is popping off when? In January? Nah, we're talking April. And in April, we got this Great American Comet, which is a dragon, because comets are dragons, meteors are dragons, happening at the same time, 2024, in the new year. Now that marks Exodus, right? Exodus, just like that crisscross is the tau. The tau means the mark, the sign, the monument. So it's a sign of something. They say the year of the dragon is a sign of change, renewal. Renewal for who? Change for who? There's two sides of the coin. On Hijack City coin, their prosperity ain't the native prosperity, right? And the Naga native prosperity ain't the invader's prosperity. So this prosperous year of the dragon is not for the hijack. That's why they build in bunkers, boss. That's why they build in bunkers, boss. They hiding from these dragons. They hiding from this gamma radiation, this sunlight hitting us that they're afraid of. They're hiding from this. They're hiding from the dragoun. And this is the new year, which is our new year. In the springtime, we got the Great American Comet crisscrossing on our head bone. Hey, shout out to Phineas, man. Free Phineas and remain most high over everything.